Hey guys, welcome to KnowledgeBase. Today I'm going to show you how you can add end cards to your YouTube video. If this video does help you out, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel to help me out back. So here's how you can do it. So you need to be on your YouTube Creator Studio to do that. So click on your channel icon and then go to YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Creator Studio, I'm in my studio for a different account, but it doesn't matter. Just go to videos. And here you should see a library of all of the videos you've uploaded. Click on the video that you want to add the end card to, and then we need to go to the YouTube editor. Once you're here in the YouTube editor, you should see a screen down here which says add an end screen. Click on that and you're going to be given the options of 6 different end screens, or you can either choose a blank template and build one from the scratch. I like to use this one in the bottom right, so click on whatever one you want and then click apply. And that's going to apply the end screen to the last 30 seconds of your video. So you can drag them to whatever time frame you want within the last 30 seconds, and you can drag the individual elements. You can also change the individual elements. So at the minute we've got most recent upload on the left, we've got subscribe in the middle and best for viewer on the right. But you can change any of them by clicking on video element, and here you can add a video, a playlist, a channel. You can also move them wherever you want on the screen, and you can also undo with Ctrl and Z. So once you're happy with all of that, just click on save and it will save the elements. So you're going to get a video is being processed box down here. Just wait for that to go away from the screen. Once that's gone, you can just go back now, and it's going to ask you if you want to discard changes, which is a bit of a bug with YouTube Studio. The changes have already been saved because you've clicked on save. So just trust me, discard changes and click OK. And then your end screen is going to be saved. So now if we go and have a look at the video, you can see that in a second the end screen will appear. So that's how you add an end screen on YouTube. Now if you want to edit all of your videos in your library so they have the same end screen, then click on the link in the description below, or click on the card up on screen, and that will take you to a video where I explain how exactly you can do that. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.